Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bubble Emote in Bgmi Easy Guide. First, open Bgmi, log in, and confirm your game is updated so emotes load correctly. Next, navigate to the lobby and open the emote wheel to check available emotes. If Bubble is locked, visit the Shop or Event tab to acquire it. Keep your connection stable while downloading any new emote assets. Now let me show you how to equip the Bubble emote step by step. From the lobby, tap the emote icon, then open the wheel editor to view slots. Tap a slot, pick the Bubble emote from your unlocked list, and press Save to lock it in. Double-check in the lobby wheel that Bubble appears where you placed it so it's ready for immediate use in matches. Using the Bubble emote in-game is simple and tactical when done right. During a match, press the emote key to bring up the wheel and tap, or hold the Bubble emote according to your settings. Use it in downtime or after a safe revive so you don't expose your location. Practicing in training or custom matches helps you time the emote without compromising movement or cover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.